Hello everybody and welcome back. We are here to do the winners drawing for the So Pink challenges that were happening throughout the month of July. Today's a very exciting day because I've actually got two winners drawings to do. I've got this one and the Boho Summer Challenge, which was the collaboration that I did with me and Natalie from Line.Arrow. So there will be another video coming out today with those winner results, so make sure you check out that one as well if you took part in that. So as I said, we're here to do the So Pink one. I do want to thank everybody that participated and bought the kit. Also, lots of people, if they were downloading the freebies from Ko-fi, I did have a few donations this month as well. So it's all very much appreciated. It really is. I do tend to use whatever I get donated, and I buy more supplies and things to kind of keep this channel going really, and to keep crafting. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you ever so much. Now, with the So Pink challenges throughout July, while I had a few entries, it was mainly the same people posting. So, what I have decided to do, there were 7 people in total that actually were posting, but like I said, lots of them posted repetitively, and each time they post, they get more and more entries. So, since it was only 7, I thought, do you know what, they can all be winners. So, everybody that has posted, and I will list them down below in the description. When I post on Facebook in the group, I will also list them there. So we have Windy, Ingunn, Diana, Mel, who else have we got? Rachel, Sandra, and Korri. So I'm sorry if I've butchered your name, if I've mentioned you, but they're my 7 winners. So I will, again, like I said, have you listed down below in the description. I will also list you in the Facebook group, but just a huge thank you to everybody that took part. As I explained, I think it was at the beginning of July when I was releasing this kit, I am having to take a little bit of a step back, just because of work commitments. I just don't have the time to keep creating digitals, keep coming up with challenges, keep creating myself. And that's really what I started this channel for. When I started it, it wasn't because I was, you know, running a business. I don't have a business. Yes, I sell digital kits, but it's more of a hobby. But I think I just got into the mindset that I had to make money, I had to, you know, build a business, and it's just not possible. I work full time, so it's just not possible to also try and do this. And I think I've just been a bit hard on myself, so I'm trying to take a little bit of a step back, give myself a bit of a breather as well. So what I said last month is that I will only release a kit once every 2 months. So there won't, I mean, I am actually going to release a kit in August. There will be a kit coming, but there won't be any challenges in August. I will still have some freebies, so there'll still be freebies out there. And I will, of course, share them with you as and when I release those. But there won't be challenges for August. I want a bit of a rest. I'm part of another collaboration with the wonderful Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors and Julie from Julie's Papercrafts. They're doing a collaboration called Out With A Bang, and I'm doing a couple of videos for that, and I just want to enjoy the summer holidays really with my family as well. So yeah, I'm kind of taking a little bit of a step back for August, and then moving forward it'll be the same. So September I'll release a kit, but there won't be one in October. Again, there still might be a kit for October, but there won't be challenges. There will still obviously be freebies and things like that though. So yeah, just a massive thank you to those that are supporting me, are buying my kits. I'm sorry that I am taking a step back, but it's something that I need to do. I am actually starting to focus more on actual journaling, not just making journals, but using them. So this is one that I made recently. So I'm, yeah, getting into the habit of actually journaling, and hopefully that will improve my mental health and my mental well-being as well. So thank you to everybody that's participated. Thank you so much, and many congratulations to my 7 winners. As I said, you will be listed down below. All you need to do is go and check out my Etsy shop. Let me know which kit it is that you would like, and I will send that to you for free. You can either message me through Etsy, or you can do it via Facebook Messenger. So I don't mind which way you contact me, but if you contact me and let me know which kit you would like for free, and I'll be happy to send that over to you. So once again, thank you so much, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.